I suppose you can drive a wagon.
How far?
From here to Chamaco, it's just this side of Mexico.
And for a little trip like that, you're willing to pay out $4,000.
Not only that, there's 5,000 more waiting at the other end. You'll get it from the man who's taken delivery of the wagon.
Who is this man?
I've no idea. The original driver has been killed. His orders were to bring that wagon to Chamaco and put it in the blacksmith's barn. That's all I know.
Uh-huh. Just what's in this wagon?
Paper, a whole wagon load. And being as how I'm the nosy type, suddenly I'm very curious to know what a blacksmith wants with paper in his line of work.
And you're willing to pay me $4,000 to find out?
I'm paying absolutely nothing. I won the 4,000 from you, don't forget.
Have you got a cigar?